This video series explains how to create the cutting data by the apparel CAD. In this video, we show you more efficient marker marking using Auto Advance. Let's look at the 3 steps to the cutting process. Step 1 is pattern modifying. Modify pattern data on Pattern Magic 2 for sewing. Step 2 is marker making. Do marker making with Marker Magic 2. Auto Advance does quicker and more efficient marker making. In step 3, use the created marker data on each cutting machine. In step 1, you change notches and seam allowance, and create interlining pieces. All sizes can be modified at the same time, shortening the time required. In step 2, collect pieces, create rough cutting pieces which allow easy cutting, then mark them. By using Auto Advance, you can complete marking in 1 to 2 minutes with a better yardage. The marker sheets can be output as mini markers, actual size markers or cut data. Now let's start marker marking with Auto Advance. Start the Auto Advance application. There are very few operations in Auto Advance. Collect pattern data you want to do marker making. Set up rough cutting pieces before marker making. Once the pieces are ready for placing, go to the Auto Advance menu. Processing time can be set in 1-minute units. Generally, 1 to 2 minutes should be sufficient. Start the Auto Advance process. Processing ends after the set processing time. Import the result of Auto Advance into Marker Magic 2. If you want to correct the placing, you can select the pieces and place them again. If there are no problems with the placing, save the file and output it to the plotters or the cutting machine. For the next step, let's try the two-way marking. In the previous step, we made a one-way marker. Let's make a two-way marker by enabling piece rotation. Make a check in 180 to set angle of rotation 180 degrees. Import the result of the process. This marker is a two-way. You can rotate pieces by bundle basis. Make a check into the box and execute the process. This time, the pieces of the bundle are in the same direction. Import the processing results. The entire bundle is rotated 180 degrees in the same direction. Next, let's make marking which is separated by each bundle. Check in the box. For example, if there are multiple sizes, you can set which size is placed first. Let's try this. Set 11 to be placed first. You can also set the spacing between bundles. Set the 50 mm spacing. Import the results of the process. 11 is placed first and there is a 50 mm spacing between 11 and 9. Finally, we will show you how to place pieces at specific area. For example, you can place pieces in separate locations or stuck pieces at the edge. Set the conditions on Auto Advance. First, set to align the front pieces by upper or lower limit. Second, separate the placing area. Set the blue area as 100 mm to 700 mm, and the pink area as 600 mm to 1300 mm. Set to place the rough cutting pieces in the blue area. Set to place the sleeve pieces in the pink area. The front body pieces are on upper and lower. Import the result of the process. You can check the area by starting Auto Advance again. The pieces are placed according to the settings. This concludes the explanation of how to create cutting data by the Apparel CAD. Thank you for watching.